Stuck with an invalid Roblox promo code? Don't worry, we've got you covered. First, let's tackle the most common culprit: incorrect capitalization. Roblox promo codes are case-sensitive, meaning capital letters matter. Double-check that you've entered the code exactly as it's displayed, paying close attention to every uppercase and lowercase letter. Next, let's talk about validity. Promo codes have expiration dates. If you received the code some time ago, it might have already expired. It's also possible the code was for a specific region or promotion that has ended. Sometimes, codes can also be one-time use, and someone else might have already snatched up the reward. Now, let's verify you're eligible. Some promo codes are tied to specific account types or require certain actions to be completed before redemption. For example, a code might be for new users only, or require you to have a certain level in a game. Review the original source of the promo code for any specific requirements. If those steps didn't solve the problem, it's time to verify the code itself. Did you obtain the code from an official Roblox source or a trusted partner? Be cautious of unofficial websites or social media posts claiming to have free codes, as these can sometimes be scams or simply invalid. Still no luck? It's possible there's a temporary glitch with Roblox's system. Try waiting a bit and attempting to redeem the code again later. Sometimes, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can also help resolve redemption issues. And as a final resort, if none of these troubleshooting steps work, your best bet is to contact Roblox support directly. They can investigate the specific code and your account to pinpoint the exact reason for the error and provide further assistance.